Hi there, gorgeous. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is April 7 Style. Your name is April 7 Style. Oh my god, is your name April 7 Style? Okay. Hi there, gorgeous. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beauty of April 7 Style. April 7 Style is your ultimate up for everything faith. Yes, here we talk about God, fashion, lifestyle, and everything that will add like a sprinkle to your everyday living. Yes, so today's video is one that I'm really excited about, and I'll be sharing 8 amazing hacks that every girl should know. So let's just get right into the video. I'm sure today's video is one that will make your life easy and of course fabulous. So let's just get right into the video. So hack number one is a quick way to depuff your face. So ever woken up with a swollen face or a puffy face? This hack is for you. So what you need to do is get 2 spoons, put them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and apply them on your under eye area or wherever it is that you have puffiness. It will help reduce the puffiness of your face. To level up this hack, you also need chilled tea bags. Caffeine works wonders on dark circles and puffiness on the face. So just apply the chilled tea bags on your forehead, your cheeks, or where under eye or wherever it is that you have puffiness. So hack number two is your emergency faith booster. Yes, life can get overwhelming and very challenging, but a quick faith boost can help just start your day and just change your entire mood or set you up at the right pace. So yeah, my go-to ideas. Have sticky notes of Bible verses that would help strengthen you, like Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and place them where you can see them. The other thing is set daily alarms of Bible verses, prayers, scriptures that would help you connect to God. You can use the YouVersion app for this. And then you can also create a faith playlist of uplifting songs that would help you. I particularly vibe to songs from Maverick City, The Hold Mav. There are so many good uplifting songs out there that would help you, that will boost your faith. And if you look at the description on this video, I have my January playlist. They are filled with songs, uplifting songs, so you can vibe to them, listen to them. These faith boosters are important because when life hits, these little reminders, they'll bring you peace and then they'll just give you clarity. So number three hack is the capsule wardrobe secret. So here's a game changer for your wardrobe, for your closet. It is a capsule wardrobe secret. So I would advise that you stick to the basics like white shirt, black trouser, black pants, and then you go with neutral colors. Neutral colors just make your wardrobe looking classic and clean. And then you can add a pop of colors with your accessories. Invest in quality pieces rather than trendy pieces because trends comes and trend goes, but investing in quality pieces will make you stand out, use clutter, save time, and you always look polished. Trust me, the capsule wardrobe is every girl's best secret to effortless style. So number four hack is the instant confidence boost. So confidence isn't about how you look, but how you feel. So here are tips that will help you stay confident. Practice a power pose. Look in the mirror, do not slouch. Put your hands on your hip, stand upright, take a deep breath, and you're good to go. I know it sounds ordinary, but it is science. It works. And then affirm yourself. Say those sweet things to yourself. You know those sweet things that you want people to tell you. Tell it to yourself like I am beautiful, I am strong, I am bold, I am blah blah blah. You know those sweet things. Like just say it to yourself. So act number five is staying fresh with the right underwear. Do you know that your underwear choice impacts your health? Yes, it does. So I advise that you go for cotton panties. Why cotton panties? Because it helps reduce moisture prevent irritation, and they're breathable. A pro tip is that during the day, if you sweat a lot, you can change if it is needed. Then at night, just go all commando. Let thy cookie breathe. So at night, just go all commando. Do not wear anything. Go without underwear. Comfort is key. So go without underwear at night and just relax. So hack number 6 is using a good aftershave cream. Be it you are a wax girly or you are still a shaving girly like me, I will advise that you use a good aftershave cream because it will help prevent irritation. It will help calm those areas and then prevent bump. You can apply on your armpits and your bikini area. I particularly use this aftershave cream by XBM Feminine. I got them via Instagram and the smell is so amazing. It helps prevent irritation and bumps. I advise that you get this, or you can use any other good after shaving cream that you think might work for you. So tip number 7 is long lasting perfume trick. So tired of your perfume not lasting all day? This is a tip for you. So apply your unscented moisturizer or petroleum jelly on pulse joint areas of your body, like probably around your neck region or wherever it is that you apply your perfume, maybe your hands and all. And then before spraying your perfume, this will help lock in the fragrance and your perfume will last all day. And the final hack is the quick hack for instant hair shine. Tired of dull, flaky hair? Then this tip is for you. So what you need to do, really, it is really easy, really simple. Just apply the argan oil or any other good oils. Apply them on your hair and just rub it through. It will give your hair that good shine. I use the macadamia nut oil. This oil is particularly for dry hair, so you can apply it to your dry hair, whether it's a human hair or your natural hair. An extra tip, yes, an extra tip because I love you guys so much. So this was suggested by my girl Erica. Shout out to Erica. You can follow her on Instagram. She's a skincare guru and skincare consultant. So what she suggested was that instead of using wipes to take off your makeup, use micellar water to take off your makeup instead. Put your micellar water on a cotton pad or cotton wool, whichever you have. Use it in taking off your makeup, then wash your face with a good cleanser, and I've been using it and it's very good. Micellar water moisturize your skin, but wipes dehydrate the skin gradually. That is, wipes sucks out moisture from your skin gradually. Just go with micellar water and after that use a good cleanser. You can get the Nivea micellar water or the simple micellar water. So that is all for today, my beautiful, beautiful people. So let me know which of the tip you will be trying, or if you have a tip of your own, you can put in the comment section so that we can learn also. So don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and join this amazing community. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.